Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, guys, we're going to talk about glyphosate, which is a poison chemical that's sprayed on 90% of the conventional foods that you eat, including pasta, cereal, oats, legumes, nuts like soybeans, walnuts, pistachios. It's found in milk, oat milk, orange juice. They spray it on fruit. Guys, it's just about on everything that have any type of corn, wheat, or soybean in it. And almost all carbohydrate-based products like bread, donuts, crackers, any pastries, bagels, anything that has oats, corn, or soybean in it, it would be a solid or liquid, has glyphosate in it, including ice cream, some potato chips. They spray it on everything, guys, and it is a toxic herbicidal poison, and it is poisoning everything, including Pop-Tarts. So guys, you have to be smart about what you're putting in your face. Your pie hole is going to kill you. It's going to come out the other end of you. It's going to be absorbed into your intestines, into your bloodstream, and you're going to be poisoned, guys. It's no joke. It is no joke. Hold on, guys. Here you go, guys. I told you guys I do my research. As of March 2024, Monsanto has reached settlement agreements in nearly 100,000 Roundup lawsuits. Monsanto paid out approximately $11 billion in lawsuits because they are killing so many people. Guys, the food is poison. I'm trying to tell you. I mean, that's what social media should be all about. Bringing awareness and knowledge to the population. This should be a public service announcement. This should be a part of the epidemic. They want to call it epidemic. Why isn't this an epidemic? I mean, just think about it. The whole world has been poisoned with glyphosate. And here it is right here. 100,000 lawsuits, $11 billion. $11 billion. It's crazy. Includes 4,000. Listen, there are still 30,000 lawsuits pending. This includes 4,000 cases in multi-district litigation in California. Multi-district litigation cases are not class action lawsuits. See, guys, I'm telling you, y'all think I'm playing. I mean, I'm serious. I'm trying to spread the word, spread the message. But your mind is programmed to such a low degree. Your frequency is so low that it's hard for this kind of information to get to the masses. All the masses want to hear about is hatred, stupidity, and ignorance. That's it. So this is what caused mass murders and holocausts to happen in people in the countries, because of total deliberate ignorance. Like, and to be honest with you, this could easily be considered food genocide. Nutritional genocide. It should be a crime. It should be a crime for these monsters to get away with poison the whole world. It's all over the world. It's not just in America, except for Europe. But other parts of the world are impacted by it, including India. So guys, hold on guys. Okay guys, here we go. Let's take a look at this real quick. Monsanto has settled over 100,000 Roundup lawsuits, paying out over $11 billion as of May 2022. There are still 30,000 lawsuits pending. This includes 4,000 cases in multi-district litigation. All right, let's go down. Instead, they group cases together so that instead of answering the same question repeatedly in each separate lawsuit, the courts can resolve some specific issues for all of them at once. In June 2022, the Ninth Circuit filed a decision in a Roundup case. In the court's opinion, the Ninth Circuit urged the EPA to reconsider its conclusion that Roundup does not cause substantial harm to people or the environment. See, the EPA is supposed to protect us from chemical harm and protect the environment, but they said that it wasn't harmful. So the Ninth Circuit urged them to reconsider that. Also in that month, the Supreme Court dismissed an appeal by Bayer in another Roundup case because Bayer bought Monsanto. Now they are dealing with all these lawsuits. In July 2022, the 11th Circuit ruled that Bayer has failed to adequately warn about the risk of cancer from Roundup. Latest development in Roundup lawsuits. On January 26, 2024, a jury in Philadelphia handed down a verdict awarding $2 billion. The plaintiff, John McKinvison, was diagnosed with non-Hodgkin lymphoma after using Roundup for 20 years. The verdict included more than $2 billion in punitive damage. On October 31st, 2023, a San Diego jury awarded Mike Dennis of Carlsbad, California, $332 million. Dennis claimed that his decades of Roundup use caused him to develop non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Dennis was awarded $7 million in compensatory damages and $325 million in punitive damages. Despite the substantial verdict in the Dennis case, the jury actually found partially in favor of Bayer. The jury found that Bayer failed to provide warnings of Roundup risk, but did not find that Roundup was defective or that the company was negligent. See how crazy that is? Anyway, guys, I just want to show you that, guys. I just want to show you how people are still not aware of what's going on with all the exposure, all the lawsuits. People are still blind to their own food poisoning. See, that's how ignorant society is. That's how low the intelligence have collapsed in this country. It's in the toilet. And this is how countries get consumed with ignorant rules and policies and laws, because you have so many ignorant people that vote stupidly and allow the government to do whatever it wants to do. And then you have a small segment of the population that speaks out against the government, like myself, and against big corporations. You know, glyphosate is banned in European nations, European countries, in the EU. It's banned. But they're allowed to experiment on us like rats. That's why we act like rats over here, killing each other by the thousands with handguns. That's why we act like savages and psychopaths over here. Mass murder shootings in the schools. You wonder why? Because you're under mind control. You're under MK Ultra. And you're poisoning yourself and you're poisoning your children. Atrazine, glyphosate, and 15,000 other chemicals that are in the food. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, here are some more food items that have glyphosate. Mueller's penne. That's dry pasta. Dry pasta. Mueller's 100% whole grain penne. Dry pasta. Harris Teeter 100% durum seminala penne regante. What that regante? How you pronounce that? Regat. Dry pasta. Signature Select thin spaghetti. Signature Select, I think that is like Kroger fries. signature. Hold on. No, that's Safeway. Dry pasta, Barilla whole grain rotini. Wheat-based cereal, Kellogg's All Brand Buds. Wheat-based cereal, General Mills Wheat Chex. Wheat-based cereal, Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. See, guys, all this stuff contains glyphosate. Here we go, some more. Percent samples with glyphosate. Pizza, 90%. All pizza, guys. Wheat flour, 88%. All wheat flour. Crackers, 84% of all crackers. 90% of all pizzas. 88% of all wheat flour. 84% of all crackers. 84% of fresh pasta. 83% of cooked pasta. 80% of dry pasta. 75% of oats. 70% of chickpea flour. And 67% of lentils. All of it has glyphosate, 67%. And you know chickpea got glyphosate on also. And you know what they make chickpea out of? No. Hummus. Hummus is made from chickpeas. When they tested hummus, almost all of hummus had glyphosate in it. Guys, you're being poisoned. That's why I say drink plenty of spring water to flush out the toxins, the chemicals, and the poison that's in the food supply. You are being poisoned. And it'd be perfect if you can get the water in a bottle, because some of the bottle containers got the EPA on it. BPA. The BPA, which is also toxic in humans to males. It lowers your T cell count, your testosterone count. So guys, this is affecting everybody. Like everybody will be sick, will have cancer, will be on the autism spectrum. And that's what they're going to really dial in on all of the weak-minded, castrated men. All the men will be psychologically castrated. They're going to think they're women. As time go on, you're going to see more and more men painting their fingernails, dyeing their hair, and becoming super feminine. And the women, they're going to start being like hyenas. You know, hyena's the female, but she act like a man. But she's the female. She's the dominant force in the hyena pack. And that's what we don't get with the women. It's chemical. You're being chemically castrated. The guys are. Okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm done. Try to educate yourself. Keep your diet clean. Keep your home clean. Keep your car clean. Keep your diet clean. Guys, drink plenty of spring water from the freaking mountains to flush out the toxins, the chemicals, and the poison that's in the food supply. Guys, you're being poisoned. You're under mind control, MK Ultra. You're Manchurian candidates, and you have lost your mind. I'm trying to help you find it. Guys, you need to resurrect your consciousness. Get back in line with Mother Earth, ground yourself, activate your root chakra, and get your life back in order. You are totally disconnected from Mother Earth. You are total psychopaths. The majority of you, I'm sorry. If this don't include you, then go and meditate. But anyway, for everybody else, guys, I'm signing off. Contraband 777. Now go and conquer yourself. Guys, don't be this guy. Do not be this guy eating all this atrazine. See that atrazine right there? That's probably misspelled. But see that? You know what the 322. I know you know what the 322 mean. I know you already know. If you don't, look it up. Just look it up. But this guy eating a bowl full of glyphosate. But he don't look like this to everybody else. He only look like this to the chosen people. Like a monster. Your pineal gland have to be clear in order to see what real monsters look like. Your crown chakra must be cleansed. Okay, guys, until next time, peace.